Noriega's Hotel in Bakersfield was the oldest Basque boarding house-style restaurant in the West. Located at 525 Sumner Street, it was owned by the Elizalde family since 1931. The boarding house started as the Iberia Hotel in 1893. It was located across the street from the Southern Pacific train depot, so it was easy to find by the newly arrived immigrants. It served young Basque men who came to the U.S. to work as sheepherders. Eventually, boarding house owners realized there was money to be made in opening their dining rooms to the public. At Noriega's and other Basque restaurants, dinner was served at a specific hour. Eventually, other restaurants changed their schedules to accommodate the clientele, but Noriega's did not. This was the charm of Noriega's. Everyone waited in the bar area and socialized until it was time to sit down for dinner in the dining room.
You want to tell me what it feels like to be Basque?
I'm not a Basco.
Nonetheless, you're an honorary Basco for today. So.
Are you a Basco?
Yes, I am.
Really? What's your name?
Here.
Kazeta. Right in the middle of everything.
We're not going to let it go too far. Now, Sumner, we got two. Okay, I think I got it. There he goes. Nice to meet you.
It is. This is the best day of my life. All right, girl.
Having a great dinner. Do you want me to do that again?
Yeah, let's try it again. You're all right. You're all right. No problem. So here I am with Yvette Jorigi from Paso Robles. We're living in Bakersfield, California, and just wanted to ask her. So, what does it feel like? What does it mean to you to be Basque?
What it means to me to be Basque is that you're in touch with your Basque heritage, and it's a strong culture that you have ties to everybody.
Cool. So, do you like to dance? I mean, you're a dancer?
I'm a dancer. I danced for about 14 years, quit for 5. time, since moving back to Bakersfield, I started dancing again.
All right. Now, what other kind of activities do you do with the Basque community? You like to go to the festivals?
I like to go to the Basque picnics. I like to see all the people from Chino, San Francisco, Fresno. And I just like to dance at the Basque picnics.
Cool. Anything else you want to add?
No.
Zutaz nintzela jabetu, baina ederkiridazu, harima barruan ingainatu. Ni naizelako amo Dios prest, ni naizelako amo Dios prest. Hau besterik ez dia lortu. Ni naizelako amo Dios prest, ni naizelako amo Dios prest. Hau besterik ez dia lortu.
In addition to providing food, on Sundays, Noriegas entertained the lunch crowd with trinqueta-style pilota, or handball in the court adjacent to the dining room. One could watch the games from the table, although the best way to follow the games was from the wooden bleachers at the back of the court.
Eta pena egin naiehan, ilunehan nolabai goxatu. Eta pena egin naiehan, eta pena egin naiehan.
The historic Noriegas unfortunately closed in 2020 during the pandemic.